Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Apple TV remote to turn on and off your TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to simply just use their Apple remote so that they can turn on or off the TV. Now, I had a similar problem to this in which I had to have two remotes in order to turn on and off my TV, but I was able to figure it out, guys. So this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is that you're first going to access your Apple TV remote and then turn on your Apple TV by any means necessary, and then go to your settings tab, and then from here you want to scroll down to where it says remotes and devices. So click on that. Now from this option right here, you want to scroll down to where it says remote app and devices. So click on that. So from here, you want to scroll down to where it says control TVs and receivers. Okay, so click on this and notice how it toggles on and off. Okay, so once you click on it, it says off. And then once you click on it on again, it now says on. So this is going to allow it so that your Apple TV remote turns on and off your TV. So as you can see here, the prompt says turn on control for TVs and receivers. And once you do that, you'll be able to control your TV with your Apple TV remote. So now if I press my power button on my Apple TV, you'll see an option that it'll allow me to power off my TV. But if I actually hold the power button off, it's actually going to turn off my TV. And if I hold it back on, and if I press it back on, it's now going to turn back on my TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on and off your Apple TV using your Apple TV remote, or basically any TV. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below too. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.